Are you struggling with slow internet or constant network issues on your Jio network? This one simple APN setting could change everything. Speed up your browsing, fix connectivity problems, and enjoy a seamless internet experience. So without further ado, let me take you through how to apply the settings. Okay, right. So first of all, what we need to do is to open your phone settings. So once you're here, go to SIM card and network settings. Click on it. Okay, so at this step, select the network that you want to apply the APN settings. In that case, it should be your JioNetwork SIM card. I don't use one, but I'm going to use my Airtel Tigo here to demonstrate the settings. So you're going to apply the same setting on your Jio SIM card, and it's going to work perfectly for you. Alright, so go ahead and click on the SIM card. Alright, so come to the access point names that is at the bottom. Click on it. Okay, right. So here we are going to add a new APN settings. So click on the addition button at the lower bottom corner. Okay, right. Now all the values we are going to be entering here, I'm going to display them on the screen, and I'm also going to leave them in the description of this video. So you have to enter the exact values that you see for it to work. Okay, the first one, we are going to enter the name of the APN. So click on name, and then you are going to type Jio Hyper Net. Alright, so you can see that you have to type Jio space hyper space net. So the first letters are caps. Okay, right. So do it exactly as you are seeing it here. Alright, so we are moving to the next one, that is APN. Then click on it and then type Jio. Okay, all in small letters. Okay, click OK. Now the next thing to do is to scroll down to username. Alright, so the username, you're going to type speedboat.hypernet. Okay, so speedboat.hypernet. Alright, so type the same thing, capital SPEED, then capital BOT dot capital HYPER capital NET. Okay, whenever you put a dot, the keyboard automatically leave one space. So make sure you close that space. There shouldn't be any space between the both dot hypernet. It should just be the dot separating them. Okay. Alright, so when you're done with that, just click on OK. Alright, the next thing to do is to scroll all the way to your server, and we are going to type www.jio.com and then click OK. So that is it. So scroll all the way down to authentication type, and then go to the last one, select pap or chap. Okay, right. So the APN type, click on it, and then you are going to enter this value there, default. So make sure the first letter of default is in lower caps as you see it on your screen. Alright, so once you're done with that, click on OK again, and then just beneath it we have the APN protocol. Click on it, then select the last one, that is IP version 4/IP version 6. Okay, right, so come down to the barrier and click on it. Now you can see automatically it is unspecified. Uncheck that box and then select LTE, and then the next one to select is this one, HSPA, and then you can come all the way and select edge right here. All right, so in some locations, if others work for you, you can add them, but this is okay. Just click on OK. All right, so that is all about the settings. So if you didn't get all the values right on your screen, you can check in the description of this video, copy them and then paste them here. Okay, all right, so once you're done with that, you can see the correct symbol at the top right corner. Just click on it. It is going to save the new APN settings. Okay, right, so now if you are using your Jio SIM card, what you need to do is to switch from the default one to the new APN setting. Okay, right, and then it is going to work perfectly for you. All right, so that is it. So this will be able to increase your internet speed and then fix your connectivity issues if you are facing them in India and wherever JioNetwork is operating. Okay, right, so that is it. So if you know this video helped you a lot, please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, and then remember to hit the subscribe button, and then come back next time again for more videos like this. So hope to see you in the next video, and then stay safe and again. Goodbye for now.